Do you think Hapag-Lloyd can only ship your cargo from port to port? Well, think again. With our inland product, we offer you transportation services to and from inland ramp terminals and directly to your doorstep. In recent years, we have consolidated and strengthened our intermodal teams in both the US and Canada. Our knowledgeable, dedicated experts make sure you get the fastest response times and tailor-made solutions. In addition to our specialized teams in Atlanta and Montreal, we have also chosen to maintain key inland operational entry points in the largest intermodal markets. We have expanded our network of motor carriers and railway companies to prevent any capacity bottlenecks and to make sure that plenty of options are available at all times. We have established service standards for our motor carriers and railway companies, and we regularly review their performance to ensure that you consistently enjoy inland transports that are reliable and hassle-free. Need to ship a container with dangerous goods? No problem. With us, you can rest assured that it will be safely transported from door to door. Prefer to get your quotations or make your bookings online? Then try our Quick Quotes tool. With just a few clicks, you'll receive a quotation for your inland business in just a matter of seconds. We are committed to providing a superior inland product. This is part of our Strategy 2023, and just one goal in our overall effort to become your #1 for quality. Hapag-Lloyd, the place to go for reliable transportation from door to door.